A new era in the Davidson County District Attorney's Office is already bringing big changes. On his first day on the job, District Attorney Glenn Funk fired 5 attorneys and 2 staff members from the previous administration. News Channel 5's Emily Luxon joins us now from our newsroom. And Emily, this news was a pretty big shock in that office, right?
Yeah, it certainly was an emotional day at the office. Attorneys knew that they would have to re-interview for their jobs, but they did not expect this. And meanwhile, one of Funk's former opponents believes this decision is political.
And repeat after me. I, and state your name.
While a group of assistant district attorneys were sworn in Nashville, others were on their way out of the office.
They came into work this morning trying to make the city safer, and they were told, get your things, clear out, and we'll have an investigator watch you do it.
Former prosecutor Rob McGuire lost to Glenn Funk in the Democratic primary. He's concerned the dismissal of 5 assistant DAs, Hugh Amerman, Sarah Davis, Sarah Beth Myers, Karen Fentress, and Ernie Hickerson, was politically motivated.
You would be hard-pressed to find an attorney or a judge in this city who would say that several of these prosecutors couldn't do the job. What is also beyond question is that they actively supported me in my campaign.
I, Glenn R. Funk.
During his campaign, Glenn Funk vowed to crack down on domestic violence, a specialty of 3 of the fired attorneys. But at his swearing-in ceremony Thursday, he said staffing changes may be on the way.
We're also going to see a change with regards to the complexion of the office. What we're going to do is make sure that the office, the assistant DAs in the office, reflect the community.
With a new era underway, current and now former employees are figuring out where they fit in.
They are optimistic. They are very talented, intelligent trial attorneys, so they will be fine. But they are today mourning the loss of the work that they love to do for the citizens of this city.
September 2nd, we've got to have dockets ready to be covered by everybody in the office, and I got to make sure that my team is in place and make sure that every docket is covered with the best lawyers possible.
Funk would not comment on the situation at today's swearing-in ceremony, but his office did issue this statement saying, quote, "It is not uncommon for there to be some turnover with any new administration. General Funk's decision today reflects his plan to assemble the best team of lawyers in Nashville and a team that will help move his vision forward." The statement went on to say that he wishes everyone who served in the office the best going forward. Rory, back to you.
Emily, thanks. And as Emily mentioned, Glenn Funk says he plans to crack down on domestic violence, an issue already highlighted by Nashville Mayor Carl Dean. On Tuesday, Davidson County's first ever domestic violence court will start hearing cases. The city will also open an advocacy center to provide a safe place for domestic violence victims who are going through the court system.